Are JBL's Tune220s worth buying? Let's break it down and talk about it in this video. What's up, buds? Welcome to Wanna Buy It. I'm your host, Rodney. As always, we got another product to review. And if you guys are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button down below so you guys know when I post new videos. And as always, to all my subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. You guys are helping this channel grow, and I really do appreciate it. And with all these products, buds, the link is gonna be down in the description below. So right there, right under the description, you'll see a little link. You click that, check the current price, and see other people's reviews on it. So let's break down these JBL earbuds. So the JBL Tune220s are going for $99, so $100. They were sold out of the black, the white, and the blues on their website. Then I went to Amazon and got it next day delivery. They had the black ones. They only had 20 left in stock and 20 left in stock in the white ones as well. So definitely check out Amazon if they're still out of stock on their website. Just check out Amazon and you get the next day delivery as well. All right, but so right here we have the JBL Tune220s. These are their new wireless earbuds. As you can see with the case right here, it's pretty small. And they also have the flat back, so it could just slide in your pocket easier. You see that the hump is just in the front, so then you could just slide in your pocket. Compared to the AirPods, excuse my AirPods, they're pretty beat up. It's almost the same size, but then that thickness is the game changer. It makes it a little bit thicker. This case feels really hard and heavier. This one feels a little bit plasticky. Definitely on the first touch, you're gonna feel it feels a little bit plasticky. When you get your JBL Tunes, they're just gonna come in a box like this, nothing special. And then you'll just get your little wire in there, and then you'll get your little pamphlets and quick start guide and all that in this little thing. All right, now my favorite part. Let's break down these earbuds, buds. All right, buds, let's break down these earbuds. All right, right here, so we got the earbuds, and then as you see, they're in there. They're a little fancy, you get a little flashing light. You also get lights right there on them, letting you know that they are charging as well. And when you pull them, it's better to just pull them from right here, because if you try to pull them from the top, it gets kind of hard. They stick in there pretty good. So you just grab from the little latch right there. Easiest way to pull them out. So the earbuds feel really good. They're really light. Even though they look like they're really thick and they might have a little weight on it, they are not. Even when you put them in your ear, they're so light that you kind of don't feel them. At first, when you first put them in, then like after a little bit, like I'll say like 5 minutes, they settle in, they feel really light. They're kind of close to AirPods. AirPods feel like you have nothing on there. Like they're so light. These are kind of close. The only problem is that they're a little bit longer. And with them being longer, I think that's where you start to feel a little bit of the weight. Just probably like in this area, it gives it that little bit extra weight. If they're a little bit shorter, it'll probably really feel really good, just like AirPods. So they're really close to AirPods. But one problem I do have is they're so light and they're really hollowy. So I feel like my beard I can hear my beard moving right now. Like I can just hear all the hair movement. So guys that have bigger beards than this, just a heads up, if you get annoyed with that sound, and ladies with your hair, you might just hear like your hair rubbing on this long part, and it's because it's so hollow, it might bug you. But I'm really picky, just want to let you guys know. All right, when it comes to the distance for these earbuds, it's about the same as all earbuds. It's probably like, you know, from your door to across the street, your neighbor's door, so give or take like 20 meters or so. But it's the same distance as all earbuds. It does start to pop and click when you get further away, like which I didn't like. I just like when it just drops off. It gets quieter and just drops off. It starts doing popping and clicking to let you know you're getting out of range. I'd rather not do that because it hurts people's ears when it does that. So when it comes to battery life, in total, you're supposed to get 19 hours. Each earbud, or the earbud's supposed to last 3 hours by itself once you pull them out the case. Then you'll have 16 hours stored in the case ready to charge up. I think it takes 2 hours to charge up the case from 0 to fully charged. And I think it takes about probably an hour and a half for the earbuds to get fully charged. Don't quote me on that last one with the earbuds, but I know the case does take 2 hours to go from 0 to 100. You'll get 19 hours total with the earbuds in the case when they're all fully charged. One flaw in these earbuds that I figured out that made me really disappointed was when you use the right one, you can use the right one by itself. You can't use the left one by itself. And I thought I was tripping, but you can't. Like I had this one in, and I was like, okay, I was listening to some music. On that note, this connects pretty quick. Like right when you do it, they connect really fast. Once you have them connected, they work fine. And then you have the right one out, and if you keep going, the music doesn't stop like AirPods and some other earbuds. It doesn't stop when you pull it out. The music keeps playing on both. The music stops when you finally put it in there. And then this one kept rocking and kept rocking, and I was like, okay, that's fine. Then I did it vice versa. And then I noticed that right when you put that in there and close this one just turns off. And I was like, wait, am I tripping? And I wasn't. This one does not work by itself. The beauty with AirPods and other earbuds is that you can keep one in the ear, talk for 3 hours, and when it's about to die, you can switch them out and then use this other one for another 3 hours while that one charges. And you never not have an earbud in your ear, so you can talk all day if you wanted to. But that was the flaw with this. The left one does not work by itself. But I know I'm not tripping, Buzz. I'm telling you, I took it out by itself. I was like, let me see if this is the first one I put in and would it work? And it wouldn't work. Nothing would happen. And I was like, all right. And then right when you pull the right one out and use it, then everything starts working. So the left one does not work by itself, and I'm pretty sure it doesn't. But if you guys find out that it does and you guys figure out how to do it, leave it in the comments for anyone that gets this and they're trying to figure out that same issue. All right, bud, so let's get to sound quality. We know JBL is really known for having great sound quality in a lot of their products. And I love JBL. I have like multiple JBL speakers. I love their brand. The sound quality of this is really good. When it comes to just overall sound, the sound quality is really good. Talking on the phone was really crisp. Like I called multiple people to hear what it sounds like, and it sounds so clear. It sounds really, really good. When it comes to listening to music on these, which I thought it was really gonna stand out, it really didn't stand out as much as I thought it would. I thought it would outperform the AirPods. I feel like it was missing that JBL loudness. All their products are loud and in your face or in your ears. They're just like blasting. They sound amazing and clear. These do sound amazing and clear, but they just don't have that loudness. The Apple AirPods are they're loud just by a tad bit, just like that much. That's like the distance, like that's separating them. And like they're just not, it's just not that JBL in your face loudness. Another area where JBL shines most of the time is bass. And they have it on here. It says, pure bass, 0 chords. And I feel like it didn't shine in these as well. I was really excited for these. Like I said, I love JBL, but again, the AirPods, the bass sounds way better. And I thought for sure these were gonna destroy the AirPods, but they didn't. The bass plays a background to the rest of the music. Now with the AirPods, I feel like everything's here and then the bass is all here, you know what I'm saying? But I feel like with the JBLs, I feel like everything's here, and I feel like the bass plays a background seat to it all, and you're like reaching to try to hear it. The one way I was able to get that same bass on here, so for people that have Spotify or whatever Apple Music, whatever you use, I use Spotify. I went into my EQ settings and I just put the bass booster on, and that gave me the exact same bass that the Apple AirPods already had. So that's the same way, just to make up for it, you can add that because it handles the bass really clear and it still sounds perfect. It didn't sound like crappy, it didn't mud together, it sounded clear still. Now you're saying, Rodney, bud, hey, I don't like Apple products. I don't want to pay $140 for earbuds, but I want true wireless. Should I get these? And I'll be like, yes, bud, definitely check these out. For $100, you're definitely getting your money's worth. You won't be disappointed because the sound quality is amazing. When people call you, it's really crisp and clear. Like I said, the only flaw I really think in these are you can't have the left one in your ear by itself. It has to be the right one by itself only, or both in. That I didn't like. And for the people like me that like loud music, wireless earbuds just in general are not that loud. When I say the Apple AirPods are louder, they're just a little bit louder, and the bass is a little bit better. It sticks out a little bit more. But you're saving the $40. If you end up getting JBL's $150, earbuds, then that might be a different story. So I guess you lose a little bit of loudness and a little bit of bass. And I guess that stupid left one not working for $40. All right, so all in all, buds, for people that are upgrading their $20, $50 earbuds for these, and people that have never had earbuds and trying to get these are worth it. These are good $100 earbuds. I would definitely say yes, stamp of approval from me. They're really good. They're not that far off of AirPods. AirPods has it by like 2 steps. The sound quality is right there and it's really good. The sound quality is not bad, it's just the loudness is losing by a little bit and the bass is losing by a little bit. All in all, it's really good. AirPod people that are getting annoyed with AirPods like I am, to step back. This will be a step back. It's not an even step. It will be a step back. So I would not get these if you already have AirPods. I am looking for AirPod alternatives, and when I find them, I will tell you guys. But yeah, so if you guys are new to the game and you want to get in these the wireless game, definitely check these out. They are really good, buds. Definitely check these out. So there you have it, buds. That's my little honest review on these JBL Tune220s. So if you guys like this video, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. And to all my subscribers now, as always, thank you so much for supporting the channel. I really do appreciate it. This channel's growing really fast. I feel like I was saying we're almost at 100 2 weeks ago. Now we're almost at 150 and 200. So we're on our way, buds, and I thank you for all the support. All right, buds, so the link will be down in the description below so you guys can check it out, you know, see the current price, see other people's reviews. And when you guys click that link, I do get a small commission and it does help the channel out. And another thing to my subscribers now and anyone watching this, the massage gun video, I am giving that massage gun away and it ends this Friday coming up, March 6th. So definitely go in there, leave a comment, said sub to the channel, say sub for a chance to win. You know, I just use a, you know, random pickers to see who wins, so everyone has a chance. I'm not picking myself, so definitely do that. And yeah, see you guys in the next video, the next product review. Peace.